Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Dear, today I'd like to discuss about the rising fuel cost and its effect on your car or motorcycle. I'd like to show you the basic differences in the overall cost that you are meeting every day. First of all, right now I am giving you the example with a very normal car and with a very normal motorcycle. Here the car is Alto 800, the very basic model. Friends, we all know that Alto 800 gives you the maximum level of mileage service in the world of car, as it belongs to Maruti company. What is the minimum mileage given by Alto 800 in high road? If we take the example of high roads or in the state highways or even in the good smooth roads inside the metro cities, it will give you around 15 kilometer of mileage per liter. Right now the cost of petrol is rupees 108.11 paisa. It is the record of today, that is 26th of October 2021. Probably it will increase tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So per kilometer your car cost a petrol of rupees 7 and 21 pice approximately. So take the example of visiting your workstation. For example, if it is just 23 kilometer away from your home, so 23 plus 23 equal to 46 kilometer of up and down multiplied by 7 rupees 21 paise per kilometer. So it will cost you around 332 rupees. Now we all know that India is a hot and humid country and winter stays here for a very little period. Once you are running your Alto 800 through the busy streets or through a high road also, you need to switch your AC on so that you can move faster and in a comfortable way. My personal calculation has found that for 1 complete hour of AC burning while your car is moving will cost you around 1 liter 200 milliliter of petrol. That means 1.2 liter. As per the present day's cost, it will cost you around 163 rupees. So if I calculate the 46 kilometers journey up and down to my workstation via this Alto car 800 model with AC on mode, then it will cost me around 332 plus 163 rupees, that is 495 rupees. So one up and down to approximately 46 kilometer of workstation and back to your home will cost you in Alto 800 around rupees 495, not less than that. It may increase if your car will stuck in traffic jam, if you are driving slow, and if you are driving below 40, then your oil consumption will be more than this. Similarly, if I take the example of the same via a 100cc motorcycle, any 100cc motorcycle, it may be TVS, Hero, Honda, Bajaj, whatever it is, it will cost you as per the present day's rate rupees 2 and 16 paise per kilometer. It means your bike of 100cc will take 2 rupees 16 paise per kilometer every day. Now take the example of this 46 kilometer. So if I will go and come back from my workstation, which is 46 kilometer away from my home, it will cost me around rupees 99.82. Roughly if I will just calculate it to rupees 100. So in a bike which basically is giving me around 50 kilometer of mileage, Even in its worst condition also, a 100cc bike will give you 50 kilometer mileage. It will cost you only 100 rupees. So, how many savings you can make if you travel via motorcycle rather than via your Alto 800 car? Around 395 rupees per visit. You will be able to save around 395 rupees per journey towards your workstation. Now you can work out accordingly as per the distance you are traveling every day. Please keep it in mind that the same is not being applicable accordingly on the high modeled cars. The high model cars will require the burning of more fuel. So once you are buying high model car, it will require more fuel burning because of its complex and highly updated luxurious setup. So travel via bike if you want to save your money, and if you would like to travel in a comfortable way, travel as you wish. Thank you for watching this video.